tunaagiza ati simiti, ati tuagize ati steel. Imagine mpaka hata samaki tunaagiza. Unaona ile ujinga iko hii Kenya? Alafu kuna watu wanapinga, wanasema hapana, tuendelee tu kuleta samaki kutoka sijui wapi, tuendelee tu kununua furniture kutoka huko, tuendelee. Hiyo ni wazimu, please. Tuachane na hiyo story. Let us just agree. We have millions of young people with talent, with expertise, with training, with skills who can do all these things. And I'm very happy that you people are passionate about the skills you have and you want to make a contribution to building your country. I promise you, you have my support. 100%. 100%. Na tutasukumana kusukumana kabisa mpaka tuhakikishe ya kwamba hii mpango inasonga mbele, ndio tubadilishe nchi yetu jameni. In this plan, we are empowering young people to engage with employment opportunities in the first instance. And as a first step towards ownership of enterprises in every sector, in any part of our country, and in fact going into the continent. Just to let you know, we have now the Continental Free Trade Area. We're going to export these skills and the products that will come from these skills into the continental space market that we are developing. I have sent my Minister Moses to 20 countries in Africa to consolidate the market for the products coming from Kenya. We have just concluded signing the agreement with the European Union on market access for our products as Kenya. We are finalizing, going into this morning. I had an engagement with American officials. We are concluding agreement on access by Kenyan products into the American market.